I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank everyone who has subscribed so far. If you do subscribe today, I thank you too. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my stationery Papergang subscription box for the month of June. And as you all know, I love Papergang so much because I love stationery. I don't think I've really had a box so far that I have not liked a single thing in. And you could say, oh, but you get a book or a journal or blah 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 each month, a pen, and I'm like, but who doesn't? I've used all my notepads and journals and I use them all, and I just love it. So today I'm going to share with you this box and I hope you enjoy. So let's begin. So this box is really pretty. It's actually quite cute. It's not what I would have thought for a summer colour or a summer look as such, but it really stands out and looks lovely. So I'm going to show you this box now. The G has kind of broken, but that's fine. I think you can still see it as Papergang. So this is the box, and as you can see, it is black with, oh please shut up, they don't, there you go. It's black with green, blue and green flowers and leaves all over it. And I think this is so cute, and a pattern I wouldn't pick and would say was a summer kind of pattern. I'd say it's probably more falling into springtime, but I think this is lovely. And then I'll hide my address. Wait. This is the back. So this is just green, and then it's got these which are for plants, so markers for plants, and it tells you who what they are. Or you write it down basically. So it says I am, and then it says there's 3 drops, and then there's a sun and a cloud, and you circle what it need, I guess. And then it says special requirements, and there's 6 of them, and I think they're really cute. And if you're a keen gardener or have a lot of plants, that is perfect, and you could put them in all of your plants. Again, I think you could even photocopy these and print these out on card, and you could get as many as you wanted then. Obviously, if you've seen all my other Papergang boxes, you will know that it's just a sleeve and then a cardboard box, which I'll open that now. So you can just see the cardboard box. So yeah, it's just a cardboard box and then you've got the sleeve. But I love how the Papergang's punched out and then you can just see the cardboard box. And I think this is just perfect. And then it's just got like the hanging up bit where you can hang it up in a shop and stuff like that. This box is $13.95, and that includes postage each month, and I think this is really good for what you get as well. So I'm going to open this box now and show you what I've got. Okay, so the tissue paper is slightly damaged, but that is okay because you rip up tissue paper anyway, but I don't actually use this tissue paper. And it is like a really dark green, which I'll show you. So it's this like dark leaf type green, or forest green. Actually matches my top, which is really nice. And again, I wouldn't say that's really a summer colour, but that's just me. And then inside the box, it just tells you how Papergang works and how we get our boxes each month. So it shows us all of that. And then I'm going to show you the products I got now. So I'm going to start off with the Papergang book. And this tells you all about Papergang. It tells you what you've got in your box, which I will go through with you in a minute. And then it tells you a bit about Green Fingers, which must be the people they are collabing with this month. So that's here. It tells you a bit about gardening and stuff like that, because again, this is very earth-like, and obviously it's to do with gardening and stuff like that. And then it says about referring a friend and getting a free box. So I will again, as I do always, I will leave the link to this subscription box down below if you want to check it out. They sell all these products too, so if you want to just buy a product, that will be on there too, but the box itself will be if you want to subscribe to that. And I find this a very unique box and I love what's in it. So the first thing I'm going to show you, which is actual product from the box, is the thing we get each month, which is the little calendar sheet. So this one is for August. And again, it's the black and white with the blue flowers. And as much as this is very minimal, I love it. And I love how it actually stands out. I love how it stands out and will look definitely. If you aren't following me on Instagram as well, please do. It's Melanie_Kate official. And you see that I am using these each month now to share my monthly photos, and I love using these anyway for the month. So watch out for my August post coming up in a few months. So the next thing I got from my Papergang box is a ruler, which is just a small ruler, but it's wooden. And if you've been following me for a while, especially on like DIY videos especially, you know I can never find a ruler, so I have one now. And I will be putting this in my pen pot on the side and using this all the time. So this is going to come in very handy, especially for my bullet journaling, and I hope to use this more often and not lose it at all. So this is a plus for me, which may make you laugh, but you know if you've watched my videos I can never find a ruler. So that is going in my box straight away. So to go with the ruler, I've got this really unique special pen, which I'll show you. And I'm not sure you can overly see this, but it's like a tree trunk made out of Lego, if that makes sense to you. And each part of it can unscrew. So you can unscrew the lid, so it's like that. Oh, sorry, this is the top of it. You can unscrew that bit. You can unscrew it halfway down, any point of the pen. You can unscrew it, which is really fun. And then you just can unscrew the end and it's a pen. So I think this is really cool. Again, people might not think it's a pen, and it's completely unique and stands out to me. And obviously it's gold and lovely. So this is the pen. And it's really curly, basically. Then the next thing I got, which I actually probably needed a new one, but it's slightly different. But I write shopping lists just purely because if I go into a shop and I don't have a shopping list, I end up buying the shop. Food wise anyway. So I needed a new food shopping list. But this is just a list. It says list it, so it's for any lists. And it's like a pale blue with the daisies down for like bullet points, and then the lines in white. And this is just like a notepad. And I think this is really cute. Again, you could put it together as like a birthday present list, part of birthday present if you didn't want to use it, but I will definitely be using this. You can list whatever you wanted. So if you wanted to list what you needed in the shop, write a list. If you wanted to know what to pack in your suitcase, write a list. If you wanted to know what you needed to do in that week, you can write a list. Anything like that. So this is perfect, and I do like writing lists purely because otherwise again, shopping wise, I buy more than I need or pack more than I need, whatever. So this is perfect. And also to tick off and to come back home from holiday, you know you've got everything if you take the list with you. So the next thing I've got, which is really nice and it's different, is this, which is the same print as the cover of the box, and this is paper, wrapping paper. So it's quite big, it's just one sheet, and you can see the print better on this. and I think this is lovely and different again because of the colours, and I think this is really nice and pretty to stand out and be unique from any other presents at a party. So I definitely will be using this to wrap up presents or at present. So this is perfect, and again you can buy this on Papergang, oh dear, and these are all for sale. And then the final thing I got in my Papergang box is this notebook, and it's the same print again, and then it just says notes in gold writing, and then it is just a notebook with the lined paper. Actually, oh no, this is really good because I'll show you the next page. It says day/month, today's tasks, appointments and times, done, and doodles on that page, and then notes on that one. I am in the middle of a project for myself, which I'm pretty sure by the time this video comes out, or in fact it could be tomorrow, I'm going to be sharing a blog post with you with something I'm working on, which is quite personal, but I'm going to share it with you because I think it will help others. But I will be using this as part of something else that coincides with what I'm going to be talking about, and writing notes to the questions that I have to answer in each week. So this is what I'm going to use for that, and I've been needing a new notebook for this, which I haven't brought yet, so I'm very lucky to have this one here. And that is all I got in my Papergang box this month. I love it. I'm going to just go through the list in this pamphlet for you, just to tell you how much everything costs, just in case you want to buy it individually. So this, which is called A4-ish notebook, retail price is £4.95. I think that's perfect price. Notebooks are amazing at the moment, so £4.95 is nothing. Then the A6 notepad is £3.95. Again, that is perfect. And then the wooden ruler is £3.50. It's wooden, so it is better quality, but again it's £3.95. The brass pen is £5.50, and I think this is really unique and different, and people will if you're writing in public, people could probably stop and be amazed. And then the gift paper, the wrapping paper, is £1.75 for one sheet. They don't sell these though, or well, it doesn't tell it in my book. This is just what we get. So really, for that box, which costs me £10 plus £3.95 carriage, like shipping, I think that is pretty good price, and for all I get in it, I love each month. So that is it for today's video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please comment down below your favourite thing from my Papergang box this month. And if you love stationery, what is your favourite thing to buy from the stationery collection? Please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post, and thanks for watching. Bye!